Why do I need to hold it?
Okay. You don't have to hold it that close, but it'll make it so you can hear better. Okay.
What do I say? Which one I want to say?
Alright. Be cute.
What do I say?
Sing another song.
Five little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr.
Keep singing. Don't you?
Teasing Mr.
Sorry.
Alligator. Let me hold it.
Alright.
Teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Oh, can't catch me.
Keep going.
And snap that monkey right out of that tree. I'm finished.
Oh.
Well, how about I sing another?
You can't move around. You have to stay in front of the camera.
Well, I wanted to start here.
Are you done?
No, I want to sing. Dad, I don't like this spot.
Well, that's the best spot. Otherwise, it's too much light.
Well,
Is the problem that you can't see?
and I can't hear.
Well, you know what you sound like.
On the computer.
When we play it back, that's when we'll listen to it.
Oh, okay. How are we gonna clip this on?
You don't need to clip it on, actually.
Okay. What song should I sing?
I don't know.
I know. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 your life is but a dream. Row, 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 boat